Now, Isaiah Sharp with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
It's been a really beautiful Thursday up to this point. Nice and clear skies, as you can see from our camera at the Village at Meridian. Temperatures even breaking into the 60s at one point today, currently sitting into those upper 50s. But man, breezy. It has been chilly. Northwest winds have been sitting at about 20 plus miles per hour, now starting to come down, sitting at 18. But really impressive. Take a look at what happened earlier today. Eric Libby driving through Boise. Is someone missing a greenhouse? Because this is what he ran into on his route. Luckily, Eric was a good Samaritan, brought it over to the side of the road. So if you're missing a greenhouse, it is somewhere in the Boise Bench area, but really impressive winds. And honestly, it has been a really impressive spring day across the board. Take a look at temperatures in Twin Falls. Skies very different than what we're seeing in Boise, with great clear conditions. 46 the temperature right now. A little bit of wind, not as heavy as what we've been seeing today. So heavy winds and sunny skies for Boise. Clouds and not as much wind for Twin Falls. Guess what eastern Idaho is seeing? They're looking at this right now. Snowfall passing on over the region. And this is coming from our Doug Locksmith. Hopefully he's driving safely. But take a look at all of the snow that is covering. Ladies and gentlemen, I just showed you 3 pictures of Idaho. This is all happening today. And we've seen a really impressive system pass on over our region. Take a look at it right now, what we're seeing and experiencing. And it's matching up with those pictures. Nice and clear skies over Boise, cloudy conditions and some rain snow mixes, and then a fair bit of snow over the Pocatello region. Take a look at Wyoming. All of the snow that is happening over there, about 2 feet is forecasted for some of the mountain ranges. But going into our Friday, skies are expected to clear out really nicely, and warmer conditions on top of that too. So all of that wind that passed on through the Treasure Valley region is expected to pass on through. Conditions are going to start to lighten up for our weekend, which is going to be lovely, and those temperatures are going to take a bit of a climb on top of that too. Afterwards, going to see some really consistent weather, a little bit of activity happening to northern Idaho and in Montana, but we're going to be seeing some nice clear conditions over the top of our area. Going to have to wait probably until next weekend before we see any changes pass on through. Been watching that low pressure system way up in the top corner. Can't see it right now because this map is updated. A potential of some showers over the western central mountains, but that's pretty far forecasting for Thursday. We're expecting nice and clear conditions heading into this weekend. Here's what Friday has to hold for us. Temperatures breaking into the 60s, just a smidge warmer in the North Treasure Valley, but temperatures in the overnight lows falling into those 30s. Freezing in Kuna, 30 degrees over in Mountain Home. They're going to be the only ones in the Treasure Valley region who will not be breaking 60 going into tomorrow. But partly cloudy skies, mostly clear conditions for the western central mountains. 40s expected for McCall and Cascade. A couple of 60s mixed in there. Riggins, Idaho will be the warmest. Cambridge will get 60. Garden Valley will get 60 as well, and 50s expected everywhere else with those mostly clear conditions. McCall extended forecast expecting a slight bump in temperatures, breaking into those 50s, but we fall back into the mid 40s by Monday. So just prepare for that, breaking back into the 50s for Tuesday, Wednesday. So slight roller coaster of a couple of days. Overnight lows going to be pretty consistently sitting into the 20s across the board. The weekend is going to be lovely. Make sure you got plans for it. Easter is going to be lovely as well. You're sitting to those upper 60s, great conditions across the board, and the skies are going to look really good. Consistent 60s as you can see, but mostly clear conditions. A couple is going to put a damper on our day. Not expecting too much wind to pass on through. So get out there, enjoy the lovely weekend that we have ahead, and have a happy Easter.